Hi everybody, welcome to Yoga and You. This is Harini and today we are going to be showing you 5 poses for postpartum body. As you already know in my previous videos, we have shown you poses that you can do during pregnancy, and as much as we focus on opening your hips and keeping your body as open and loose during pregnancy, it is the exact opposite of what we will be doing here today in the postpartum video. For postnatal bodies, the new mothers feel a lot of stress on their back, on their spine, and tend to have a lot of rounded shoulders. So we're going to be focusing on those issues, and I will be suggesting poses for them, 5 poses for postpartum. So get ready everybody, roll your mats out, and we will now start with our first pose, which is Prasarita Pada Uttanasana, forward standing bend, wide leg standing bend. Get on your mat with your feet wide apart, about 3 feet gap. Make sure your toes are slightly inward, not totally outward. Hands on your hips. Lengthen the spine, keep the back of your neck long. And as you exhale, bend forward, pulling your belly in, lower belly in, keeping your back flat without rounding the shoulders. I don't want you to go down like this, so go down with a flat back and exhale. Here you have 2 options. You can place your hands down on the floor, or if you're comfortable enough, take your hands to your legs. And now inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, bend your elbows out and tuck your chin down, crown down. Breathe here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale and head up. Exhale, bring your hands to your hips. Keep your back flat. Inhale, pull your body forward and come up. The entire time you need to keep your core engaged and your glutes tight. Also, ensure that your spine is not rounding, your upper back is not rounding while moving forward. So we move on to our second pose with this, which is Trikonasana, side triangle. You can keep the leg as is, except turn your right toe out. Ensure your heel to heel is on the same line. It should not be forward and back, it should be in the same line. So right toe turns out, left toe slightly turned in. Square the hips to face the front. Inhale, arms up at shoulder level. And exhale, extend the body to the right side as if somebody's pulling you, and tilt sideways. Again, 2 options here. You can place your hand on your shin bone if you're comfortable with it and you can't go further. But if you feel like you can stretch a little bit more, go a little bit deeper and grab your toe. Open your shoulders and look up. If looking up is an issue, if you have any neck issues, then you can just look forward and breathe here. 1, 2, lengthen the spine as you breathe. 3, 4, 5. Inhale and come up. Exhale, right toe in, left toe out. Extend your body to the left side and tilt. Same, repeat it on the other side as well. Make sure your hip is not tilting forward. Hip needs to be open. Look up or forward, whichever you're comfortable. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale and come up. Lengthen the spine. Exhale, arms down, Samasthiti. So the next pose is boat pose, Navasana, and this is a pretty challenging pose even for regular people. But the reason we urge postpartum, those going through postpartum to do this is because it gives you a very good tone in your abdominal cavity. Engages your belly, kind of helps in binding your belly. And so this posture is recommended. Although please do not try this up until 8 weeks. So for this I'm going to teach you a supported way of doing this posture. place your palms behind you, shoulder width apart, and keep your fingertips on the floor. Do not try to bend your fingers like this. Keep your fingertips on the floor. Lift your chest up. Keep lengthening the front part of your body and your spine. And from here, you're going to bring your elbows in. Make sure elbows are not out. Elbows in. Sit on your sit bones. Make sure you're sitting not on your back like this, but on your sit bones like this. The lower part of your back should be lengthening. And once these alignment points are taken care of, inhale, exhale. Lift one leg up and try to hold it for 3, 2, 1. Down, inhale, exhale. Hold 1, 2, 3. And down, lift your chest up again, adjust your body if you require. And inhale and exhale. Lift both legs up and try to hold 3, 2, 1. Down. So now our next posture is the camel pose or Ustrasana. It's an arch back pose. I'm going to show you 2 ways to do this posture. One is the classical way and the other one is an alternative in case you're not able to do the classical pose. So for this, you need to stand up on your knees. Stand on your knees with your knees apart, hip width, not wider, not narrower. And place your palms behind you. I'm going to first show the classical way to do it. Keep your palms on your lower back with your fingers pointing up. Make sure your glutes are tight. Make your bum very hard and push your hips forward. Do not drop your neck till you get into the posture. Once you've arched back as much as you can, take your hands to your heel and push your hips forward and drop your neck. Dropping the neck is the last thing that you need to do. This posture helps to open your chest. If you have rounded back or an upper back that is stiff, it helps to relieve any kind of upper back stiffness and correct the posture. As you inhale, come back up. Exhale, sit back. The alternate way to do this is to not actually take your hands back to your heel. Everything else remains the same, but just don't take your hands out of your back. So I'll do this once and show it to you. Place the palms on your lower back, engage your glute muscles and push your hips forward. Keep pushing it and drop back. Just stay here and breathe for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale and come up. Exhale, release. So the last posture for this is the lying down supine twist. It's called the Supta Matsyendrasana, and that's what I'll be showing you right now. Lie down on your mat for this. On your back, stretch your legs out, keeping your feet together. First, bend your left knee and place your left foot just above your knee, not on top of the knee, but just above your knee. Take your right hand and place it on your left knee. Left hand stretches out at shoulder level. Now as you exhale, bring your left knee down towards the floor. Make sure you're not like lifting your shoulders up. Your shoulder needs to be on the floor. Upper back has to remain fully on the floor. Just take the knee down as far as you can. As you inhale, come up. Exhale, release. Now we'll repeat this on the other side. Right hand stretches out at shoulder level. Left foot right above the knee. Place your left hand on your right knee. Inhale. And as you exhale, twist. Pull your belly in and twist. You should feel the stretch on your glutes, on the side of your glutes, on your IT band, and on your back. This relieves any kind of tension in your spine and also gives you more flexibility around your back. Inhale and come up. Exhale, release. So with these postures, if you practice them regularly, you will definitely be able to tone your body. All these postures can be practiced on a regular basis after 8 weeks, and irrespective of your nature of delivery that you had. Also, do consult your doctor and get a green signal from your doctor before you practice any of these postures. It is a safe and easy practice that you can do in between your time and when your child naps. It's a quick one as well. So I hope you practice all of them. It will definitely make you feel good and tone your body. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and you try out all these poses. Let me know how you feel, and I'll catch you in another episode. Bye.